Welcome back to sixth lecture of Caliber Science Academy on the topic halogen derivative. We today started the third important point, that is preparation of halogen derivative from hydrocarbon. These hydrocarbon including aliphatic hydrocarbon and aromatic hydrocarbon. Aliphatic hydrocarbon, from which we can prepare the halogen derivative by halogenation reaction, which including chlorination, bromination and iodination. While from aromatic hydrocarbon we can prepare our halogen derivative by two reaction, that is halogenation, which is further including chlorination, bromination and iodination. And second important method is name reaction, that is very important as concerned to the examination of board as well as CET examination as well as JEE, that is Sand-Muir reaction from aniline. Let us we discuss the preparation of halogen derivative from aliphatic hydrocarbon by halogenation reaction, which include the first chlorination of alkane. So alkane is represented as RH. For chlorination we have to add chlorine gas Cl2, and reaction is condition is that we should allow to react in presence of sunlight. So this is free radical substitution reaction. What is the substitution reaction? We write the chlorine, Cl single bond Cl. From this alkane we lost the H, and from chlorine Cl. So in all losses HCl from this side, and this hydrogen is replaced by chlorine. We obtain compound RCl plus HCl, alkyl halide from alkane by chlorination. Chlorination of alkane will lead to the different types of the product, that is polyhalogenated product may be possible. Let us discuss with the example. Carried out the chlorination of methane in presence of sunlight. So first replace the hydrogen from methane, written like this CH3H, and chlorine Cl single bond Cl. So H is substituted by the chlorine. So we have the product CH3Cl plus HCl. So product obtained methyl chloride. Reaction never be stopped at this stage, that is methyl chloride stage. It should be continuous till hydrogen of this methyl chloride is replaced. So we can write methyl chloride again plus excess of chlorine in presence of sunlight. Again replace hydrogen from this methyl chloride by one chlorine atom from chlorine. So substitution reaction is taking place. Form CH2Cl2 plus HCl. We can replace the hydrogen from methyl chloride by one chlorine atom from chlorine, and forming methylene dichloride. Common name of this compound methylene dichloride. Now again methylene dichloride react with excess of chlorine in presence of sunlight. in presence of sunlight. So again, the one more hydrogen atom from this methylene chloride is substituted by the chlorine atom from chlorine. म्हणजेच काय, इथला एक हायड्रोजन इथल्या एक क्लोरीन ने रिप्लेस करायचे. म्हणजेच काय मिळेल आपल्याला, CH Cl3 plus HCl. क्लोरोफॉर्म. पुन्हा इथे एक हायड्रोजन आहे, तो हायड्रोजन एक रिप्लेस केला जाणार एक्सेस ऑफ क्लोरीनच्या सहाय्याने. CHCl3 plus Cl2 in presence of sunlight. So एक हायड्रोजन इथला रिप्लेस करूया इथल्या एक क्लोरीन ने, forming CCl4 plus HCl. It is called as carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride, or also called as a pyrene. Also called as a pyrene. So in this way, the methane undergoes chlorination. In presence of sunlight, gives the mixture of methyl chloride, methylene dichloride, chloroform, and carbon tetrachloride. Means reaction never be stopped at monohalogen derivative. Chlorination is carried out continuously and getting a mixture of monohalogen derivative, dihalogen derivative, trihalogen derivative, and tetrahalogen derivative. Means methane undergoes polyhalogenation, polychlorination gives mixture of mono, di, tri, and polyhalogenation product. So taken a next example of substitution reaction under the chlorination. Under the chlorination, that is ethane. Ethane, CH3, single bond CH3. In presence of chlorine, sunlight. In presence of chlorine, sunlight. Look at in this example, you can carry out only one time chlorination, that is monochlorination. So how to identify the product? Just look at the types of carbon atom. Here only one type of carbon atom, that is if CH3 called as A type and this CH3 called as A type. So these both are A type. So substitution carried out either from this A or from this A. We getting only one product. So we can replace the hydrogen from this side. I can return CH2H and this chlorine Cl single bond Cl. So from this H is lost and from this chlorine, and here hydrogen is substituted by this chlorine atom. So product form CH3 CH2 Cl plus HCl, that is ethyl chloride. Ethyl chloride. So ethane is converted into ethyl chloride by simply chlorination reaction in presence of sunlight. Take one more example to understand properly. CH3, CH2, CH3. This is propane, C3H8. Carried out the chlorination reaction in presence of sunlight. In presence of sunlight. Look at here. How many types of carbon atoms must identify? If we call this A type, it is also called as A type because both are attached to the CH2. And it is a different one, that's why we call as a B type. Hence, here two types of carbon we have, A and B. Hence, two substitution products are possible either from A side and B carbon. We can replace the hydrogen from A. From this side, A carbon. So one hydrogen replaced from this side and one chlorine. One hydrogen replaced from this side by one chlorine from Cl2. So product is CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl plus HCl. Plus HCl. And then second time we can replace the hydrogen from this carbon, that is from CH2, like this. Cl single bond Cl. So from this hydrogen can replace by one chlorine. So product is CH3, CH, Cl, CH3 plus HCl. So in chlorination of propane in presence of sunlight, we have two products, N-propyl chloride and isopropyl chloride. N-propyl chloride and isopropyl chloride. Isopropyl chloride. This is the major and this is minor product form. Because stability of alkyl halide is tertiary is greater than secondary, secondary is greater than primary, and this is secondary alkyl halide and this is primary alkyl halide. That's why the secondary alkyl halide is more pronounced than the primary. So secondary propyl chloride or isopropyl chloride form as a major product and N-propyl chloride form as a minor product in chlorination reaction. Let us discuss one more example that's very important under chlorination. CS3, C, CS3, CS3, CS3. This is called neopentane because in a chain of 3 carbon, in second carbon has 2 methyl group. That's why it is neo and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon pentane, neopentane. So we carried out the chlorination in presence of sunlight. Look at here, how many types of carbon? These all 4 CSV are one kind. We call it is A and A. And this carbon is a different one, we call as a B. So B carbon doesn't have hydrogen for substitution, but A kind of all these carbon having hydrogen for the substitution. So we can carry out the substitution for one time. Only one time, that is monochlorination. So we can replace the hydrogen from this side, CS2H, and from chlorine from this side H and from this side Cl, and this hydrogen replaced by chlorine. So what is the product form? CS3, C, CS3, CS3, CS2, Cl plus HCl. The name of this compound is neopentyl. This neopentyl chloride. So monochlorination of neopentane use only one product, that is neopentyl chloride. This is the end of the chlorination of alkane. Now second reaction under the halogenation is bromination of alkane, B. Bromination. This is another substitution reaction of alkane in which alkane hydrogen is replaced by bromine atom from Br2 in presence of anhydrous FeBr3, which is act as a catalyst in a bromination reaction. How bromination is carried out? This is alkane and bromine write like this, Br single bond Br. So this hydrogen is replaced by bromine from Br2, means hydrogen of alkane replaced by bromine. So answer is RBr plus HBr. What is the name of this compound? Alkyl bromide. Alkyl bromide from alkane. Take as example CS3 single bond CS3, ethane. When undergoes bromination, ethane undergoes bromination in presence of anhydrous FeBr3. So this is the substitution reaction just similar to chlorination. So this is A type of carbon, Both carbon are the similar type. So we can carry out the substitution from either B, CS3 or either this CS3. So we can replace the hydrogen from this side, CS2H. and this can be written as Br single bond Br. From this side we can replace the H, and from Br2 we can replace the Br. So forming HBr, this hydrogen is substituted by this bromine. Product is CS3 CS2Br plus HBr, forming ethyl bromide. Forming ethyl bromide from ethane. Ethyl bromide from ethane. Let us take another example. Let us take another example. CS3 CS2 CS3 plus Br2 bromination in presence of anhydrous FeBr3. In presence of anhydrous FeBr3. So here two types of carbon atom, A and B. So we have two product formed by substitution reaction, either from A one product and from B another product. Just like the chlorination, we have the two product. Now replace the hydrogen from this side by one bromine, this side by one bromine. So we have the product CS3 CS2 CS2Br plus HBr. And second time we can replace the hydrogen from this B carbon by the bromine from Br2. That's why CS3 CH Br CS3 plus HBr, forming isopropyl bromide or N-propyl bromide, two product. This is the major and this is minor. This is the major and this is minor. So this is the reaction called as what? Bromination reaction. And for the bromination we require the catalyst anhydrous FeBr3. Now take third example of this reaction, that is iodination. That is iodination. C. Iodination of alkane. If we carried out the iodination of alkane RH plus I2, this reaction is a reversible reaction. This reaction is a reversible reaction, but this reaction is a kind of substitution reaction like this, I single bond I, and one of the hydrogen from alkane replaced by this iodine. So what is the product? R single bond I, and from this side HI is removed. So alkane iodination is reversible reaction. The reason is that here HI is formed, which act as a reducing agent, which can reduces alkyl iodide, revert back to the alkane. That's why the iodination of alkane is not good reaction to form or alkyl iodide. To avoid the formation of HI during iodination, we have to use oxidizing agent. To avoid the formation of HI during iodination reaction and to avoid the reversible reaction, we have to use oxidizing agent such as mercury oxide or HiO3 or HNO3. So to avoid the reversible reaction or the formation of reducing agent during iodination reaction, we have to use certain oxidizing agent such as HgO, HiO3 or HNO3. So look at the example. Again, RH. For iodination we taken here I2 And to avoid the formation of this HI and reversible reaction, we should add here HGO or HiO3 or HNO3. We use this HGO. This is oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. So what is the product form? Taken alkane 2 times, iodine 2 times, and 1 mole of HGO during this reaction. So what is product formed in this reaction? Look at alkane 2 times, that's why I'm written RH, iodine 2 times, I single bond I, and this HGO. So during substitution reaction, we can replace the hydrogen by these 2 iodine. And remaining 2 iodine is combined with mercury. And forming what? Hgi2. And this alkyl combined with iodine, forming 2 times of alkyl iodide or main product. And what losses? 2 hydrogen, 1 and 2 is combined with oxygen, forming H2O. So in this reaction, the iodination of alkane in presence of oxidizing agent gives alkyl iodide, forming the byproduct water and mercury iodide. Here, hydrogen iodide is not formed due to the presence of oxidizing agent. Hence, we getting appreciable amount of alkyl iodide, and then thereby avoided the reversible reaction because the byproduct is not formed Hi. Hence, the iodination should be carried out in presence of oxidizing agent such as HGO, HiO3 or HNO3. Take a simple example of one kind of that. Suppose methane plus I2 plus mercury oxide. So what is the ratio of alkane? 2:2, iodine 2:2, and this is 1 mole. So product form is 2 times of CS3I plus H2O plus HgI2. So here Hi is not formed due to the use of these oxidizing agent mercury oxide, and here methane is converted to the methyl iodide by iodination reaction. This is finished the first type, that is preparation of halogen derivative from aliphatic hydrocarbon, that is chlorination, bromination and iodination. So iodination of alkane, direct iodination of alkane is not good method for preparation of alkyl iodide because it is reversible reaction. Hence, in this type of reaction, we use oxidizing agent to avoid the reversible reaction. The oxidizing agent are HGO or HNO3 or HiO3. Now let us start the preparation of aryl halide from aromatic hydrocarbon, which including the 2 type of reaction, halogenation reaction and Sandmeyer reaction. So how to prepare aryl halide or haloaryls by halogenation reaction? That is electrophilic substitution type of reaction. In which benzene and its derivative undergoes halogenation. Such as chlorination and bromination gives chlorobenzene and bromobenzene. So let us start the preparation of aryl halide from aromatic hydrocarbon. Now let us start the preparation of aryl halide from aromatic hydrocarbon. by halogenation reaction. Halogenation reaction. First, chlorination. So chlorination of benzene. Benzene have 6 hydrogen atom which undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction with the chlorine. Chlorine in presence of anhydrous FeBr3 or AlCl3. This is act as Lewis acid. So substitution, electrophilic substitution reaction is carried out like this: Cl single bond Cl. From this any one hydrogen from benzene replace one chlorine by one chlorine from Cl2. So we have HCl formation, HCl plus this chlorine substituted this hydrogen of benzene, so forming chlorobenzene. So benzene undergoes chlorination in presence of anhydrous FeBr3 or AlCl3 forming chlorobenzene. Take a derivative of benzene, CS3. This is called as toluene, which undergoes chlorination reaction in presence of anhydrous FeBr3. Look at now, this methyl group is ortho and para director. Ortho and para director means electrophilic substitution reaction either be taking place on ortho position and para position. Here methyl has two ortho position, methyl group with respect to two ortho position, this ortho and this ortho, and one para position. This is ortho position and this is para position. So electrophilic substitution reaction with respect to this CH3 either we occur on ortho position or para position. So we can replace the hydrogen from ortho. First, Cl single bond Cl. Look at, this is ortho and para director. That's why we are replacing the hydrogen from ortho position and para position. First, replacing from ortho position, hydrogen is combined with this chlorine forming HCl, and this hydrogen is replaced by this chlorine. So first product is double bond, here CH3 and here substitution chlorine plus HCl. So what is the name of this compound? This is special functional group, that's why number 1, and this is 2. Already studied in the IUPAC name, 2-chlorotoluene. Now likewise, this is para director. So we can replace the hydrogen from para position. Cl single bond Cl. Hydrogen is replaced by this chlorine. So what losses from this side? HCl plus. Now this chlorine substituted this hydrogen, CH3, HCl. So what is the name of this compound form? This is the main functional group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4-chlorotoluene. So in case of benzene derivatives such as toluene, if we carry out chlorination, so chlorination occurs at ortho and para position, and we have two products, 2-chlorotoluene and 4-chlorotoluene. Always 4-chloro or para substituted product is major than ortho. That's why ortho is a minor and para product is major. So chlorination of toluene gives two products, 2-chlorotoluene and 4-chlorotoluene. Here 4-chlorotoluene is major one. That is finished the chlorination of benzene and its derivative. Now second reaction, halogenation, that is bromination of benzene and its derivative. Look at that bromination. Second, bromination. So benzene likewise undergoes bromination in presence of Fe dark, Fe iron, in presence of dark condition, no sunlight is required, or anhydrous AlCl3, undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction just like chlorination. So we can replace the hydrogen by bromine. This can be written as Br single bond Br, and this hydrogen is substituted by this bromine in presence of Fe dark or anhydrous AlCl3. So product is bromobenzene plus HBr. Bromobenzene plus HBr means during bromination you use Fe as a catalyst in presence of dark or anhydrous FeCl3 or AlCl3, which act as a Lewis acid or catalyst. So from benzene we can prepare the bromobenzene in presence of Fe dark. Now derivative of benzene, taken a toluene, CS3 plus Br2, Fe in presence of dark, So now our methyl group is ortho and para director. This is ortho position and this is para position. So substitution either we have ortho position or para position, just like chlorination. So we have two products. First we replace this ortho hydrogen, since it is ortho and para directing. Hydrogen is replaced by bromine, so forming HBr, and this bromine is substituted at ortho position. So first product is CS3Br plus HBr, forming 2-bromotoluene. Now second substitution is carried out at para position. Since it is para directing, so hydrogen is replaced from the para position by 1 bromine from Br2. So second product obtained, CS3 here Br plus HBr. So name of this compound 4-bromotoluene. So bromination of toluene in presence of Fe and dark gives two product, 2-bromotoluene and 4-bromotoluene. Is this because methyl group is ortho and para directing, and electrophilic substitution reaction is directly taking place at ortho position and then para position. So we have two products, ortho-bromotoluene and para-bromotoluene. Likewise, chlorination and bromination, iodination of benzene and its derivative is also possible in presence of catalyst. Otherwise, direct iodination of benzene is not possible because it gives a reversible reaction due to the formation of HI, that is reducing agent. That's why direct iodination of benzene is not possible. It's possible, but reversible kind of reaction. And to avoid reversible kind of reaction, we should use oxidizing agents such as HNO3 or HiO3. Now, the preparation of aromatic hydrocarbon from the aniline. This is very important reaction. IMP, as concerned to the board examination, that is name reaction, Sand-Meyer reaction. That is Sand-Meyer reaction. Second, Sand-Meyer reaction. Sand-Meyer reaction. So in Sand-Meyer reaction, we can prepare haloalkenes, halobenzenes, haloarenes from aniline. From aniline, we prepared haloarenes. This is aniline. So what is the reaction? Let us see. The conversion of aniline to halobenzene. What done in this reaction? Aniline is treated with NaNO2, sodium nitrite, in presence of hydrochloric acid. This is excess. At about 0 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius. 0 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius. So sodium nitrite react with excess of hydrogen chloride and combined with aniline undergoes a diazotization reaction and leads to the formation of a salt, benzene diazonium chloride plus H2O 2 times plus nitrogen gas. Look at how the reaction is proceeded. This is diazotization reaction and forming benzene diazonium salt. We written aniline like this, NHH. Now NaNO2 and HCl excess, HCl. We written here H plus Cl minus, H plus Cl minus. So what losses from this side? It's 1 hydrogen and 1 hydrogen. That is 2 hydrogen, 3 hydrogen and 4 hydrogen. In all these 1, 2, 3 and 4 hydrogen combine with oxygen. So 4 hydrogen combined with oxygen forming 2 times of H2O. 4 hydrogen combined with oxygen forming 2 times of H2O. Now this sodium combined with the chlorine. Look at NHH, NaNO2, HCl minus plus minus 2, 3, 4 hydrogen combined with this oxygen, 4 hydrogen combined with oxygen forming 2 times of H2O already written here. Now what remains? Na plus combined with chlorine forming NaCl. Now remaining what? This nitrogen is combined with this nitrogen. This is called as a diazotization. And what is product? Benzene N. Both nitrogen combined, so N2 plus. Because one nitrogen has 4 bond. With this nitrogen. That's why plus sign and remaining Cl minus. So this nitrogen combined with this nitrogen forming benzene N2 plus and remaining here Cl minus. Cl minus. Remaining Cl minus. So benzene diazonium chloride is formed. Benzene diazonium chloride is formed. Now this benzene diazonium chloride if treated with cuprous chloride in second stage treated with cuprous chloride Cu2Cl2. So one of the chlorine from this side, one of the chlorine is replace this nitrogen. One of the chlorine from Cu2Cl2 replace this nitrogen from benzene ring and forming chlorobenzene plus N2. Or if you use in the second step Cu2Br2. So one of the bromine from this Cu2Br2 replace this nitrogen from benzene diazonium salt. Br2, from which one bromine replace this N2 from benzene diazonium salt, forming bromobenzene and nitrogen. Nitrogen is replaced. So chlorobenzene is formed by the reaction of benzene diazonium salt with cuprous chloride, and bromobenzene is formed when benzene diazonium chloride react with cuprous bromide. Or if you want to prepare iodobenzene, so you should use potassium iodide. So this iodine replace this nitrogen, and then forming iodobenzene plus N2. So you can prepare chlorobenzene or bromobenzene or iodobenzene from benzene diazonium chloride in second stage. So this reaction is called as what? Sandmeyer reaction. This reaction is called as a Sandmeyer reaction. What is Sandmeyer reaction? The aniline in the first step undergoes diazotization with NaNO2 and HCl at about 0 degrees Celsius to 5 degrees Celsius, forming benzene diazonium chloride. And in second step, this benzene diazonium chloride, if treated with cuprous chloride, forming chlorobenzene, or benzene diazonium chloride treated with cuprous bromide, forming bromobenzene, or benzene diazonium chloride treated with Ki, forming iodobenzene. So in second step, you can replace the reagent and obtain chlorobenzene or bromobenzene or iodobenzene. So in this way, by Sandmeyer reaction, we can prepare haloarenes. This is end of preparation of aliphatic, alkyl halide and aromatic halogen derivatives by the halogenation reaction and Sandmeyer reaction.